going on? Got a 22 1500 5.3 oil change. It's gonna be a 0-20. Let's do our multi-point inspection real quick. Coolant's a little low. I'll have to see about getting some of that. The brake fluid is good. I need a 8 mil for the air box. What's going on, guys? Today is Wednesday. Hump day. Let's see. Let's get this one right here. Oh, yeah. Okay, so we got 1, 2, 3 screws. Let's take this air boot off, just for good measure. What's this? That's my 7. There's the adapter. Okay. Oops, don't want to lose that. Okay. There it goes. Just take you out the way. Up and out. There you go. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Don't lose your screws, guys. Keep them in your head now. Okay, air filter's not bad. That actually looks pretty brand new. My air blower. We'll just give this a nice blow. That's it, bro. Leave that right there. Okay, come back up in here. We're gonna leave that there. It's gonna get caught anyways. Alright. Let's put the boot back on. Let's twist ourselves into place. Okay. Don't forget your little latches, guys. That's it, bruh. Let's go ahead and shoot this back on real quick. We're good, baby. Wow. That little ring is broken. I can't even be mad, bruh. This gun caught on fire on me before. It's kind of a funny story. Doing an oil change. And I had my gun on the rack. Next thing you know, I dropped the bolt on one of those newer 250s or 150s with the plastic plugs. Boom! Missed my pan, got it all over the place. Starts spewing up. So I tried dipping it or spraying the gun in brake clean, right? The electric cleaner too. You know what I mean? Nothing. I let it sit for a couple days. Come back to it. First time I use it, dude. After I clean it. Whew. Oh shit. I had to turn it off real quick. So everything's good up here. This car doesn't have power steering. It's got an electric box, so I don't have to look at fluid on that one. Oh yeah. You guys are moving a little bit. There you go. Man, I don't think I grabbed the filter for this thing. That sucks. Okay, I'm back. Got the filter. Let's see what we're dealing with. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's exactly what we're dealing with. Okay. Chevys, use a 15 right there. It's a 15. Let me get you some light. On these ones, I prefer to use a shallow socket with an extension over a deep socket, just because I feel like you don't bite as good when you got a deep socket on it. And see, there you go. Oh yeah, that's it right there, buddy. Get this out of my way. Oh my god, thing's heavy. Okay, I'm gonna stop right there. I need to grab gloves. Oh yeah. So when I was younger, I used to work with my dad. We had a shop in the town over called Time for a Change. It was a little quick, it's almost like a Jiffy Lube. But we also had a mechanic on duty. And the amount of people in that town that drove Chevys is unreal. I'm talking unreal. Like, oil change after oil change after oil change. Chevy. This one's gonna be a little bit more difficult. You might actually get oil on your hands. Okay. Yep, it's getting hot. Woo! Spicy. Okay, we got the brake clean. And a band wrench. Alright. This one you can kill two birds, one stone. Band wrench on it. There you go. That drive shaft, you slip and you bust your knuckles. It's not a fun time. Oh yeah, that's efficiency. When we let that spray down, we'll clean up. Why not? Oh yeah, pink rag for the win. Prefer these rags over anything. The red rags are okay, but they're made of a actual material, like cloth material. This is tighterly woven, I guess, compared to that. So that's all I gotta say about that. Pink rags. Whoa. Okay. Get a little bit of oil. And what I tell you guys, lube it up. Lube it up. Let's see. Wait till it stops dribbling. I think that's good enough. There you go. Get it tight real quick. Put the plug in. Now I'm gonna clean the area down before I tighten it down. most part, I don't mind taking my gloves off. Torque to spec. Good enough. Now let's see. The part that didn't get wet. Get up here and give it a nice shine. Oh yeah. Job well done right there. All right. Motor's drop, plug is tight. Filter's on. Let's go. Ah, you can see me in the reflection. We still rolling? We still rolling? Yeah, we still rolling. All right. Eight quarts, 020. Oh yeah. Cool. And that's it, guys. That was an oil change. Let me put this dipstick back in, fire it up, show you what I got. Oh yeah, right on the line. That's what you like to see.